Here's the second reaction. We are starting with copper 2 carbonate. Copper 2 carbonate has this bluish greenish color because copper has that bluish greenish color. And so anytime you see blue or green, there's a good chance that copper is in that substance, or something's happening with copper in that substance. Remember in the flame test, we put copper into the flame and it was a bluish greenish color. I'm going to put a little bit of this copper 2 carbonate into my test tube here, maybe another scoop. And then we're going to heat it for 3 minutes. In that 3 minutes, it's just getting heated, and it's not reacting with any of the molecules in the air. It's a complex compound, copper 2 carbonate, and so it's not just a simple element. It's not reacting with anything in the air. It's getting broken down. And so as it's heated, it breaks down further and further, and one of the products that is released is a gas in that breakdown, and we'll test that gas after we heat. So the Bunsen burner will go onto the test tube, and now we wait. 3 minutes has gone by, and so I want to test the gas that was given off in this breaking down of this complex compound. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the heat, light my wood splint, then put my wood splint inside the test tube where the gas is being given off. We will then observe what happens to that wood splint and be able to maybe make a conclusion about what gas that must be. So I'm going to remove the gas, remove the heat, light my Bunsen burner, or light my wood splint with the Bunsen burner, and put it in the test tube. My wood splint went out. What gas do you know that puts out flames? I have someone waving at me. What gas is that? And so that might give us a hint of how this substance decomposes. Hint, hint.